Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Trends. This is the 7-day chart trend analysis. We've been doing the top 21 assets, or the 21 asset pairs on Apex, the Apex Pro. Apex Pro is being phased out, and Apex Omni is coming in, and now that actually has over 70 asset pairs. So my job has just gone from very small to triple, and also just to add a layer of complexity, they're in beta. So they're a public beta at the moment. So there is no guarantees anything will work. So what I can do just during this phase is I just want to get the information out there as like what to buy, what direction, the trend, which is the whole point of it. And then we can get into, whether you're going to use something like this or something else to know where there's a stop loss level. You can put a trigger or an alarm, or you can use their automated stop losses, which is what I'm doing here. And I'll just every now and again I'll bring this page up and show you how if I'm placing like a long or a short, I'll be pausing to do my own activity, which is actually my weekly updates of trend. So I'm aligning my portfolio with the trend of the market. So, and I'm going to give you the analysis and the TA, and you can use that for however you wish, that data for trend, and then just here and there. Otherwise, the video will take too long if I do every single trade, but I'll stop every now and again and pause as I'll go out and do my trade. But occasionally I'll include a little bit of a section in there where I'm doing a long or a short and explain exactly how it works and how you do it, like do this, do that. It's a lot easier if you just see it rather than me trying to explain it to you. So that being said, let's keep the video moving along, and let's look at BTC first. And basically we've got we're looking at Heikin-Ashi candles on the 7-day, not the weekly, the 7-day. So if you don't have the 7-day chart, subscribe, and I'll be coming out at the close of the 7-day chart candle this time every single week. So if you want to only look at your charts once a week, this is what you to subscribe to. Anyway, so smooth Heikin-Ashi candle delayed signals is what you want from the indicators. You come in here and you go smooth Heikin-Ashi candles with delayed signals from our RS 204 users. You come in here, it says 1 and 1, so you basically it'll come with 10 and 10, that being the EMA length and the smooth length, and then the style it'll have Heikin-Ashi ticked. I just untick it because I don't need 2 sets of candles, and that's it. So basically what that is, that's a second confluence for me. I don't use that as the rule. I use the color change, and there's a neat little thing with trailing stops that Heikin-Ashi candles gives you that works quite well to actually trail up our stops, and then when we take profit, we're just getting stopped out. That's basically exactly how we do it. Otherwise we keep on making more and more money. That's how the way the monthly chart Heikin-Ashi chart investors use it, and how it's designed as well to be used. So not often used by a lot of people, and a lot of people are doing like leverage trading, but this is very interesting because I'm doing this as a 1-week analysis, and I'll finish on this and I'll just get on with it. And that is that you're going to find out that there's a 7-day stop loss level and Heikin-Ashi, and when I go and do the 1-day charts and leverage stuff with my other publication, which is the paid one, I'm doing all this analysis and I'm putting on the chart, and then I'm going in and I'm doing the daily, and then I get the benefit of knowing where my stop loss levels are on the weekly chart as well. So very interesting. When both line up, it basically just isolates certain assets only that I can actually use some leverage on, and then I can go and do a long or a short on those when the weekly and the daily line up. So that's an interesting confluence as well. Anyway, that's just a bit of a side benefit. So okay, we're the investors, we're the weekly traders, and we want to spend 1 day a week doing this, and that's all we're prepared to commit. You're in the right place. Okay, so we've got Bitcoin covered. Bitcoin, the stop loss level is 95,450. Whatever you're holding in that, hold it. And my stop loss level would be that I'm going to say it is trending up, and if it were to trade down below 95,450, I would actually sell out, just get out of it temporarily at least. in between now and next week. Ethereum is a brand new short, I think, and I would be short Ethereum. I would have an active short trade there, and the stop loss level would be it's always in the orange. That's the stop loss level, 35, 26 and 71 cents. I'll just go check my. Okay, this I haven't got an Ethereum trade currently, so and again, this is a 7-day. You will know that the vault that I set up in the 1 day, I'm actually long Ethereum, but in the 7-day chart, it is a short opportunity, like it's a retracing opportunity. On a monthly scale, I would actually be bullish, so that's why I've actually set up a daily trade to hold with very low leverage for days or weeks. So just so you know, there's no conflict there. There's always retraces you can have in the weekly, when the monthly is actually bullish. A long term, you can be short on the weekly and still make money. And again, we're going to be doing a short on Ethereum here. So basically, I'm going to come in here. I've already got Ethereum up, and then when you go 1%, it's not 1% of your balance. It's 1% of the Ethereum price. So that would mean that really you need $33 to even place a trade on Ethereum. So that 1% equals that. That being the case, I don't think they'll let you do less than 1%. I would change it to USD. I would rather have $7.28, like 1% of my balance is all I want to put on the trade. So $7.30. When I press this, you'll find it'll readjust to what the minimum trade I can do, which is probably going to be $33. And I want to sell short here. There you go, $34. There you go. Stop loss level. With what we took off the clipboard, USD value. I want to go to ROI, and I want to make 100% on that, please. Thank you. Now, if this is completely out, as long as you've got these figures correct, you've got the dollar amount. And then once you've placed your short, just make sure you come up to here. It'll say Ethereum after I press this, and make sure the value of your trade is what you've just got to double check everything. Remember, I told you it's all in beta. Some of these the UI will display incorrectly, while what you're actually executing will be right. So let's go sell short. It worked, and the trading value was 33.58. So because I put the minimum amount in, it took the minimum, and it's done. All right, so that's done. Okay, so that is short, and if you come in here after the trade, you can come in here and it says stop loss level 35.26, and you can come in and check it. That's 35.26, so it matches up with my stop loss on my chart that I have. Okay, so going into the next one, so that's done. All right, so if the stop loss gets hit, it'll get me out automatically. So if I'm wrong, it'll get me out. I won't be stuck in it long term or losing trade. Solana. Okay, 7 day. All right, so we got a new green candle here. We've got a new buy. So we ignore this last candle. Always go by this one. So that is a new buy. 185.86. Let me click on that. Just copy those coordinates, and I'll might as well just use exact. I'll do this because this is a long. I just did a short, right? So I'll do a long. Let's go. Solana. Here we go. There's no Solana trade because as soon as I click it up there, if there was, it would come to the top. These are all the visual checks that I'm doing. And again, each one you do. Where's the Ethereum one I just did? There you go. Peace. Here it is there. You see it's there you go. Look at these fuckers. Short 100x. Fuck off. Yeah, just watch that shit, man. Like, let's go back to Ethereum. Let's backtrack. It's technically 100x. Okay. So Ethereum 100x. Fuck off. 1x. Let me go 1% and see what it does here. Sell short. What was Ethereum? 3526. Let me just punch this in. 3526. I'm interested to see. I'll do USD. I'll go $7.30. That's all I want my trade amount to be. So let me see if it'll adjust. It'll adjust for that. 3526. Yeah, $34. That's okay. Sell short. And I want to earn sell percentage ROI 100%. That's better. Alright, sell short. Okay. Short 1x. Done. Alright. So you've got to see how careful you have to be. I'm pretty sure that's dead. I can check on my video. I mean, if you go back or whatever. But anyway, it doesn't matter. As you go through, again, this is all in beta. So anyway, so what I'll do now is I'll just go as I was going to do. Is I'll go to Solana and we'll get this long trade. Let's copy that. Okay, so long Solana. Let's go. So this will be a long trade I'll do now. Right. Just go, when you finish doing all these updates, go through all your trades and make sure they all say 1x. Otherwise, you're screwed. Okay, Solana. We're gonna go long. Okay. So again, Solana. I want to do some USD value. My value of mine is $7. Sorry, I had to just pause and go back. If you go like as I was saying, $7.30, right? Let's go USD value here, okay, and then just go 1% of my account balance is 7.29. As soon as you move down to obviously we're going long, green long, okay, buy long, stop loss is here, and then we go USD 100%, and nothing really comes up. It's supposed to have a drop down which tells you what your profit will be if you do get 100%. This is not populated, you've got to go 100 in there. Then you go buy long, and if the price is not fluctuating, see, enter your order quantity. What I would try and do, maybe go up at $1, and then basically try that again. Now see, it's come up, it's giving you this is giving you your dollar amount. All of that, ignore it, right? Because it just means that, see, all the stop loss is gone. See, so you're almost better off just going just buy long, market buy, take away the take profit and stop loss, and just buy long. So it still doesn't let you do it. If you go 26 and then you buy long, it allows you. See. So what you can do, and again, if anything's taking too much time, just skip it, and just skip it for a week and go on to something else. Now, obviously, you can come in here once you've placed your order, and you can come in here and do a stop loss, right? And it's probably going to let you. Now the position's already filled, and then you can do take profit. I'll make that in percentage, and I'll just go 100%, 100%. 100%, and then just go confirm, and then basically you see how it's allowed me to do it. This is just a workaround so that you can actually just get your order in if you're really compelled to have that order. Anyway, back to the TA, and I'll go through the rest of it. So that was my long position, and look what it's done. It's made it 20x. So just watch that. I was just saying it before too. First thing you do is adjust your leverage. Sorry to set a bad example. Okay, so we're going long. All right, so I want buy long. Okay, stop loss is that. I want 100% buy long. Okay, it worked. Everything worked, and it's 1x leverage. All right. So you can see, it's easy to make a mistake or just do the wrong thing. It's probably me. I was probably doing something wrong. I probably just didn't check the leverage and I stuffed it up. Anyway, it will happen, or sometimes there might be something displayed on here that doesn't make sense. It is, again, in beta. Just remember. Anyway, back to the TA. If you're just following along, I don't want to take too long to get through all of it. So that was a green long. Toncoin is it's a current short. And the stop loss level will be up here as far as the recent volatility. That's the closed candle in the last week, the last 7 days. The highest volatility it went to the upside was $5.65, so that's where we want to set it from. Let me just copy that onto my mouse, and so that was time. I'll click it up here, and then I'll be able to see if I've got a position in it. Currently I don't, so essentially we basically wanted to go short. So ton short, so let's do this. First things first, get rid of that leverage. Time coin, I want to do 1% of my total balance, my total equity I should say. And then and basically as he said, it was a short position, so you want to go sell short. Put the stop loss level in there, change that to 100, go 100. You might have to enter that again. It's wanting a minimum of $5 USD. I'll probably change that. Just click down here so it comes in. It's actually dropping my position down from $7.30 to $5. So if I wanted to, I could probably go 2, and there you go. There's about $5 there. Because see, it's changing. This figure here is what you're actually putting in as your trade. Make sure the leverage is 1x, and then as you can see there, it's all red. So that's a short. We clicked on short, and then we go sell short $4.30. See, it's fluctuating around. 3% is 8. That's too much. You want to average under $7.30, which is less 1% or less of the value here. So that's where I'm going to have it. So sell short, perfectly filled. Make sure it is 1x again, and we move on to the next asset. There you go. So Ton was a short. Dogecoin's a long, and we're moving our stop loss up to here. So the new stop loss is 0.3352. Let me just copy those coordinates. Copy that. So we want to go Doge long. Okay, let's go in here, find Doge. We do have a position, so we actually do have a Doge long. So all we're doing here, because we already have a long position, set some profit there. You just come in here, and you know how I took the stop loss? You just basically come in here, you cancel that stop loss, it's there. You add the new one, and then you just paste it in here. Just go all of the position if it does hit that to get out, and just go like that, and then basically your new stop loss is there. It's 0.33. And if you come back and we check on the chart, I've moved the stop from there to there as 0.33. So what we're doing is we're trailing the stop up as we get the green candle. So like when we get these sort of things going on, we're just going to keep on trailing. Okay, so ENS. So this is not really placed. So we're probably following it down here. We go to green. Stopped out by that. We've got this closed candle right here. We do have an opposing buy, but ENS was one of the actual coins that Trump bought, I think. So let me think. Geez, it hasn't really done anything. Let me have a look at the daily. Can I just have this is normal candles too, by the way. Let me make sure I place the stop at the right place on. Yeah, I did. Sorry to backtrack. Oh yeah, hang on, let me just mark that too. So that's a long. ENS. Okay, so ENS. ENS. Look at that. We're actually long, and we've got the long signal. You can sort of see I've just changed from normal candles back to Heikin-Ashi. How it completely changed our perspective of how. So it's wiping out the volatility, but giving us a trend. These ones are quite telling because they are literally where the price is going, not where it's going to go. So it's where it's pointing. That's probably the best word to describe. Anyway, so we're long from this level. So let me just look at these coordinates and just copy it. Copy. Okay. And so that's ENS. So that's going to be a long. So let's get in there. ENS is right here. Okay, I just want to just go. It's going to hit refresh, and I want to see if it resets the leverage. Because sometimes it wants to reset the leverage higher, and I'll manually lower it down, and it'll work straight away. Yeah, it's still saying 1x leverage here. Confirm 1x, and then basically here I'll just change that to USD to 7.29, and then so we're going, as you can see down here, it's a long, so buy long. It's allowing me to do $7. Okay, cool. Stop loss level is here, and then profit. I'll just put something in for the profit, and go along. Okay, so we've got our position. It's 1x, beautiful. We're good to go on that. So there's another bit of diversification into ENS. Not is still a current short. I would have it from there. I think that's what it is anyway. I think I've got a current short there. Just copy that. What does it say? Not short. Well, it is short. It's called not. Let's bring it up. Not. So yeah, there's a current short there. I'm just going to make sure the stop loss level is, just cancel that old one. I think it's almost pretty much the same anyway. This is exact. 100% to be sold if it hits that level. Confirm. Done. So that's it. So that's a current short. 1,000 Pepe is a current short. Volatility is increased, but I'll just keep it short because of that. It is a current short signal, and also a red candle, last closed candle. Let's have a look at the actual real price. Yeah, so we've got a short. On the real candles, we have a short signal. And we go to Heikkinen where we don't. So I think the smooth Heikkinen candles will really do kick out this on standard candles. And when I go to Heikkinen, it helps me put my stop loss levels. So this, you got the best of both worlds. Always there's some level of discretion here in the trade. There's nothing binary. You can't say absolutely it's like this. Otherwise, a bot could do this better than humans. I want to see, if we got like a massive wick there on normal candles. I mean, basically, it's tried and failed up there, and the sellers are in control. And then there's a sell signal there, So, and I'll just set my maximum stop loss there. So let's grab those coordinates for that stop loss, and go and place a short. 1,000 Pepe, let's pull it up. 1,000 Pepe. We haven't got a current position, we want to go short. So again, the first thing to do is get rid of that leverage. Change that to dollars. Make this 1% of what your balance is. So, we are as it said there, we're going short. Sell short. It's adjusted our position, so we're actually putting $8 in. So we're going to put a stop loss there. Change this to percentage and go 100% and go short. Invalid combination name size value 501. Okay, so just go Control F5. I still got that stop loss on my clipboard that I clicked on my mouse with. So 1,000 Pepe. Okay, so I want to go. It's 1x leverage. That's fine. I want to go here. Just go $7. Just do a round number. It'll round up or round down. I want to. It's basically selling short. Okay, so I just want to sell short. It's rounded it to $6. Paste the stop loss there, put ROI 100% and go short. Invalid combination name size value 377, step size 100. Step size 100, it means what? So does that mean like, okay, so I probably need 400 there. So we'll change the Pepe and make it 400. So 400 step size. This is something you don't see with normal centralized exchanges. This is because it is actually, you can trade in Pepe or amounts or USD amounts, I believe. So selling short. Yeah, we've got a stop loss level. We've got 100%. Let's try and do a USD amount. 100%. Yep. Okay, sell short. It doesn't like it. So what we'll do is we'll step away from it. So you can see Pepe is 0.0158. If that goes to 0.05, you can't even trade it here. So you know, it's great if you're going to have a meme that's into the decimals, like 2 decimal places. But when it gets to 3 or beyond, it's like a pain in the ass. That's why they created the 1000 Pepe index that reflects the actual Pepe price. Any issues here with the beta, again, just skip it. Just skip over it. I'm just going to basically just come over here. If I'm having dramas, I'll just uncheck it. I just won't trade it. So there's no way to get through this faster. So I'm just going to bring this down the bottom and just move it out of my way. Anything that slows you down, get rid of it. Just get rid of it. You need to be able to go through this fast. IOU is a current short. We do have a see a normal chart to current sell. Then we have a short here, and I would change the volatilities that been up to here. So I would actually just copy that. Copy. So IOU and it's a short. Alright, so let's find IOU. There it is. There's no current trade because it can pop up the top there. Okay, 1x leverage, yeah. Okay, dollar amount, just put it $7. We're selling short. Just hover your mouse over there, you can see it's a short. Stop loss level. USD profit. Let me see if I can just hit that. There you go. Done. $3. Sell short, and then both filled. Done. And make sure it's 1x, and that's it. You're done. Move on to the next one. So that's current short. I'm just marking it so I know I've done it. ZK. So I would move your stop loss level down, so locking the profits from there to there. Collect that those coordinates, so that actual price. Copy that. We're going to go in here and go to ZK. And when we click on the ZK, probably is a position open. There is. It's a short. Okay, so the short position that we have open, just go in here, go into stop loss, go cancel the current one, add a new one, and then basically, you know, just all of it you want sold at that price if it hits that to get out of it, and then the new stop loss is in there. Done. As easy as that. So ZK is done. That's a current short. AVAX. It's a current short. The volatility is up there, but it's still red candle. Let's have a look at the normal candles. Yeah, we've got a brand new current short that's come in. Short signal. That's based around EMA and price. So happy to do this. So I got red candle and a confirmation from the indicator. So let's get these coordinates and set this up. Just copy that, and then we're going to go AVAX short. Hit that short. Let's find AVAX. AVAX, there it is. There's no current position, so we're going to be doing a new AVAX short. Get this leverage, get rid of it. If you want zero leverage, quantity. I'm just going to go $7 and see what happens here. And remember, it was short. Remember? Okay. So we sell short, and then we put the stop loss in here. And over here, I just go like this and go 100% and go short. Sell short. Done. sell short to 1x. And you can see it's a small value of position. If it's tiny, just go in. You can go in and top it up a little bit. That's why I'm only going 1% of my account. There's 70 assets, so that means I probably would have used like 70% of my account by, yeah, because it's like 70 pairs at 1% of my account each. You know, but again, some of them are more expensive than others, so you'll probably use the whole account. Just go the minimum, unless you got you know, $2,000-3,000 in your account. I've only got 700 or so. So anyway, so that is done. That's 1x. I'm just double checking visually. 1,000 bonk. 1,000 bonk. You got to be bonkers not to buy it. Yeah, it's current long. Don't like this wick and the normal candles, but you can sort of see it's looking okay. Change the Heikin-Ashi before you put your stop loss level. And that ends up down there. So I'm now going. It's probably a trend change to long. I'm going to grab the coordinates for that. Copy. So 1,000 bonk is now bonk long. Long bonk. That doesn't sound right. 1x leverage. Thank you. You know, $7 on my money. That's it. I'm going to go long. $6.85. That's fine. Paste there. USD percentage plus. That's fine. It's about $6 there, no problems. Worked out alright actually. Whiff is a short. There was a slight move down in the stop loss level. I know it seems like pedantic, but I'm just going to grab those coordinates just so I'm doing it scientifically. We've got a method, I might as well use it, eh? So that is whiff. Come up here to whiff. There is a position there currently, so just open that up. Stop loss there, just cancel that, and then add the new stop loss level that we just set. It's pretty much the same amount anyway, but it's all come up there nicely. Okay, so that is a current short. Next is Audi. Moving the stop down, not much at all. So it's still a current short, and I'll just copy that level. Already, I do have a current position there, so I just want to come in here and cancel this stop loss and add in the new one. Again, it's pretty much the same, but just a little bit better. It does again, we're trailing our stop losses. Ondo, looking at the normal candles, they're pretty even. It's a little tiny bit of a stronger red, but they're pretty much almost the same. And then there's a massive wick there, so it could be downside. There is a sell as well. So let's have a look here. Downside, yeah, I'd say current downside. I just move my stop down to here and just continue on down and respect that sell call there. So let's get this the coordinates of that stop loss level. We are going to be going short, yeah. Ondo, Audi. Ondo, there's a current one there. Again, same thing. Cancel that stop loss. New one. Pendle is a short. There's no need to move the stop loss closer. So the stop loss should be $5.59 on Pendle on a short. So if I just click it up. Pendle. It should be $5.50 roughly on the short, on the stop loss. That's fine. So I'm just double checking what I've done yesterday because I went through. So this will be a quick video, as if. Today, ZRO is I've moved the stop loss further down to trail it. Let's get those new coordinates and copy that for it. So it's ZRO on a short. I might as well mark that short one here. Alright, let's pull it up. ZRO, here we go. There it is, still currently open. Details, stop loss level, cancel that one, add the new, 100%. Okay, near protocol, green to me. Yeah, it's really just mixed. Possibly a bit of a buy call here, which is what I'm sort of getting. Like, it's a doji candle really, but that doesn't really, that could just as easily be red, but I'm just going to call that a green buy. So I'll get that stop level. Let's copy that and go long. Copy. So we're talking near protocol, which is here. Okay, 1x, yeah, that's fine. Again, and as we said, it would be a long. So I go buy long. Is this? Oh, still 1x, yeah, beautiful, done. XRP. XRP is long, there's no need to move the stop loss, it should be $2.08. Let's just look up the XRP here. We haven't got a position, so... Oh yeah, actually it was 20x. I found a position where it was 20x on XRP and I had to close it just before I started the video. Alright, so let's get in there. So we're going to go... Yeah, see 20x get lost. Okay, done. And we're going to go USD value. I'll just go buy long. Stop loss level here. 100. Stop loss must be smaller than entry price. Did I fuck up there? Yeah, I did. $2.08. I had the previous assets, so go along. There you go. We're in XRP. We've got a position, a $3.20 position. Wow. I mean, doing another buy would actually bring us up. Yeah, probably closer to the average of $7.30. Again, don't do what I just did, because you can run out of money before you fill all your positions. So you know, because like some of the Ethereum and Bitcoin are $130 just those two assets alone, so you will run out short of money. I'm trying to get to the end and fill it up without running out of money in my account. XRP. So that was a long ADA. ADA is a long. Don't have to change the stop loss. It's at 87.5 cents. So let's have a look and go check ADA. 87.5 cents. Beautiful. Alright, so that's a current long. No need to trail the stop. So that's green. BCH is a new long. It just with that closing candle there. Let's have a look at the normal candles. We can see it's sort of like it's a nice rounding sort of a shape there, but a lot of let's shake you out activity, which is the beauty about being in weekly candles. So I'm going to mark this position here, get the coordinates of that, and I might already be in a long. So this is Bitcoin Cash. Let's have a look. Bitcoin Cash. No, I'm not. So this is going to be a fresh one. Get rid of that leverage. Just go USD value. Bitcoin Cash. Remember, we said it was a long. All right. Go long. Stop loss there. Long. Okay, so 1x. Yeah, beautiful. So make sure it's not going to. See how it made me $8.96. So yeah, don't go crazy topping up your positions. I shouldn't have topped up that the XRP or ADA, whichever one that last one I was. So I don't run out of money by the time we get down to the end. So that was a long. Litecoin is just changed to Heikinashi. Heikinashi, we've got a current buy, a current green candle. We would actually switch from short to long, and we would just get these coordinates here and just copy that, copy those, and that's Litecoin. So it's going to be a long, yeah. So Litecoin long. Get rid of the leverage. First thing you do. Change it to USD. Just go 1% of my account. Long. So $12 on this trade. You can see it's going to make me pay. It's fine. I'm just going to go long. Take profit must be greater. Okay. There we go. So that was $11 on that one. See? So it's not. It's averaging. Some of them are averaging higher. That's okay. Litecoin's a pretty major coin. Yeah, it's basically 1% of the price of it. Yeah. Okay. Moving on. Sui. I'm just going to go till I run out of money to place on trades. Sui. I'm just going to just move that across, and that stop loss hasn't changed. 4.21, 4.25, 4.21. Okay, just for the sake of using a process, I'll use this copy. I'll go find Sui. Sui, and just make sure. Oh no, I don't have it in there. So we need a Sui trade. So we need the long Sui. Here's Sui. Change this. We're going to long. Stop loss will be that. Alright, that. And we're going to go long. There you go. And so it was green. And then Polygon is a current short. We're going to move our stop a bit wider. So short Polygon. So there's Polygon there. We don't have the current position, so 1x. Sell short. There you go, that's done. $7 position, that's perfect. So that was a short. Arbitrum, that's a short, and we're just making the stop loss a bit wider, based on the recent volatility over the last week from that candle close. Let's grab those coordinates, and we go Arbitrum short. Okay. Easy enough. Arbitrum. We want to get rid of this leverage. Arbitrum. Change it to USD. Putting 1% of our account, and we're going to go. Remember, it was short. Sell short. Take profit. Sell short. There you go. It's like $6.98. Nice. So that was a short. Optimism. Again, moving the stop loss, still short though, but start seeing it a bit wider as there was more volatility over the last week. Let's go copy that. So optimism short. Okay. What the hell? Anyway. OP. There you go. Get rid of the leverage straight away. Change that. Sell short. Short. There you go. So yeah, it's about a $7 trade. Beautiful. That's perfect. So that's short. 1,000 SHIB. 1000 SHIB again, moving the stop loss a bit wider, but still keeping it short. Let me have a look at this price. That's really just really tracking sideways, isn't it? But it's still within this red Heikin-Ashi downtrend. Let's grab the coordinates of that. Copy. 1000 SHIB short. Let's pull it up here first. 1000 SHIB. No, we haven't got a position. Okay. Let's put 7 bucks in there. That's going to be a short. Take profit's going to be a percentage. I want 100%. Stop loss level to be here and go short. Invalid combination of size value 339, step size 10. I have no idea what this means. So like control F5. That's probably what you're asking me, isn't it? Try this again. Alright. Okay, so we're still 1x leverage. Let's change this to position size that I want. Sell shorts. 100 stop loss. I did nothing different there, but it just filled now. So $7 and 1x, perfect. So that's a short. Okay, WorldCoin, a little bit higher stop loss. Adjusted for the extra volatility last week. Still short. Just going to copy those coordinates. Just drawn a blank. World short. World, here we go. There's no current position. So that's a short. First things first, get rid of that leverage. Change that. Percent of my account there, sell short. The take profit, I want to take this percentage, just go 100%. Stop loss levels on the board and short. Done. And it's placed about $6.81 position. That's nice. Okay. Okay, we're short there. Link, we've basically got nice green here. Looking at the normal candles, big pump there, big engulfing candle, and a buy call. So let's go back to the Heikin-Ashi to set our stop losses. So we've got a stop loss here with this brand new just closed candle. Get a copy of that. Get those coordinates for the stop. Copy. So chain link long. So let's go link long. Link. We don't have a current position. Nice. So we're getting back into it. That's nice. Get rid of the leverage. Link. Let's change that to USD. 1% of my account. Long. So $8 is the minimum on that one by the looks. Take profit. 100%. Stop loss level. Base and long. Nice. Leverage is right. Cool. So that's a long. STX. STX is still a short. Again, massive volatility last week, so we're widening the stop. But that'll be. I think it'll probably be an existing position unless it got stopped out. So let's have a look. Let's just copy that level in case we find it, or if not, we'll put a new one on. New short. Short stacks. STX short. Okay, let's find it. STX short. STX. Come on. STX. No, we don't have a position. So we wanted to do a short. Let's change that to USD. Sell short. So short. Done. Position size $5.89. 1x, beautiful. Done. So that was a short. Uni, it's all over the joint. Okay, let's have a look and see what's happening here. There's nothing, sort of no engulfing candles or anything like that. Current call is a buy, but you know that could be changing every week. Yeah, I've got a green candle close here on the Heikin-Ashi, so that would trigger me to just of that alone go in, and then we've got a buy as well. So there's two confluence of two things. So we'll go in. We'll put our stop loss down here. We'll copy that level. Get those coordinates, and we'll go for a long on uni. Okay, let's pull up uni. There it is. Know the current position, so we're going to go long uni. So change it to USD, put 7 there. We're going to go long. Percentage, 100%, paste, and then long. There we go. Our position size is $6.72. Nice, around that 1% of our account. Some 1x leverage. Nice. Okay, so that's long. Well, see how it goes. Might stop us out. Who knows? Lido. So yeah, looking like a long, brand new long with this last closed candle here. Let's have a look at the normal candles. Jeez. Wow, this current one's it's like up and down. Like the percentage difference of that from the top to the bottom is like 27%, and it's been going. Geez, only 52 minutes in the new week, and it's already done 27% worth of average trading range. That's crazy. So yeah, so mad volatility there. So we're gonna jump in with our long down the bottom here on this green candle, which is the one just closed. Massive volume. Okay, let's copy these coordinates and go long. Lido. Copy. Long Lido. Let's jump in there and find it. Lido. We haven't got a current position. So again, get rid of the leverage. Lido, let me just go. Dollar value, $7. Let's say we're gonna go. We said long, didn't we? What the hell? Yeah, it's current long. Yeah. $7 long. Percentage. 100%. Double my money. Paste and long. Alright, so yeah, filled. $6.84. 1x leverage. Nice. Okay, long. Jupiter. Back to Heikin-Ashi. Jupiter is a current long with a buy, with a long signal, I should say. Looking at the normal candles, a massive wick up there, which would suggest that this could come down and end disastrously bad. But what we will do is we'll be setting up a stop loss level right here. If it goes down below that, we'll just get out of it. So what does that look? Yeah, if it goes down, if we see the reverse of this behaviour up here, down here, we'll limit our losses to there. Okay. So let me just copy that. This is going to be a long on Jupiter. Jupiter's been a real good performer. I want exposure to that. If it's going to be kind to me, especially long Jupiter. Let's jump in there. It's good that we've got some of these DEX tokens on Solana as well. 1x, change that to USD, 7. I'm going long, making this 100% stop loss here, and going long. Done. 1x, position size is about $7. Nice. Ron's a current short. We're moving up, trailing our stock down. Closest to lock in hopefully profits. It'll still be a short, so Ronin it is, that token. Ronin short. Let me just get the coordinates of that. What's on my clipboard? There we go. So Ronin shorts. Let's find Ronin here. Ronin. Okay. There's a current short. So what we'll do is we'll go in here. Stop loss. We'll just cancel that. Just add the new stop loss level because we're trailing, aren't we? One would think we'd be in profit by now, but anyway, whoops, see that. that's done. Filecoin. Filecoin is a current long, as far as I can tell here, with a long buy signal, a long signal. How does the current candles look? Doji. Probably actually bullish. I mean, you got that's bullish, that's neutral, that's neutral. So yeah, these two always cancel each other out. It's very neutral actually. The whole thing, the whole cluster of candles there on the normal. So going this way, it's, you know, even with Hikanashi, it's like it's modeled red green. So we've had a current short until now. So we're going long. And I'll just mark this, get the coordinates of that stop loss. So long Filecoin. Let's have a look. See if we can find it first. Filecoin, here we go. No current position, so we're going long. Let's change the USD. So long. Stop loss in there. Enter, $6.26, done. 1x leverage, nice. Okay, Ron. Sorry, that was file, File, that was a long. AR is the next one. AR is a short. We're going to trail our stop loss down. Get the new coordinates onto our clipboard here. Copy. So AR current position is there. Just jump in, stop loss level, cancel that, and then just add the new stop loss level we just worked out to trail it down and hopefully lock in some profits as we go. Okay, that is a current short. ENA looks like it's current short. We're just trailing our stop loss down. So just get this new level. Copy that. So ENA. Find it in here. ENA. There it is. There's the current position. Just come in here. Cancel that stop loss. Add the new one. And then 100% of it to be sold at that level if it reaches it to get us out. And that was curve CRV. CRV looks like a it looks like a long. Long. Yeah, long to me. Even though it's like a doji, it's green. On Hikanashi, it means get in, and then we've got a buy long signal here as confluence that it's very likely going to trend that way, or already trending that way. EMAs and stuff like that. Copy that. So we're going to go long CRV if we're not already in there. So let's find it first. Long CRV. Here we go. We're not in it. Okay, so it's a new position. So let's go to 1% of my accounts. Go long. And here I'll just go percentage, 100% stop loss here, and go long. Boom, we've got $6.80 position, 1x leverage, beautiful. Right. And I'll mark that as long. Maker is Hikanashi is still short. It's been short since the 23rd of December, and if you have been following it since then, you have made 30% on your money. Ooh, actually, that's not too bad, eh? I would have been from here, but I'm currently 33%. In 37 days. I can't wait till we're like a month or two into this. It'll be really good to see how this performs, especially on the shorts. Because these are all these. Each of these are all weak, and you can see that it's a beautiful moves. Yeah. Anyway, so we're going to be short on this one, and stop loss level. I don't think it's moving, so it's $16.38. Huh? Yeah. Wow. Current price is $12.96. Stop loss level is $16.38. So we might have even stopped out if it's been. Just give us a look at the normal candles. Yeah, we might have actually taken some profit there. Let's have a look. Okay. Alright, so I've copied that, didn't I? I can't remember, so I'll just keep copying again. So current short, in case I need to adjust it, this is maker. Okay, let's go into maker. Yeah, it is there. And what was the 1638? I just copied. 1638. No, so the stop loss is still fine. So we're not moving that one. That's going well for us. B&B is a current long and a buy call there. So it really doesn't matter what the normal candles are doing. Yeah, it's all over the joint. So let us buy this if we don't have it, and we'll set the stop loss at the bottom of the green wick as usual. So that's going to be a buy. B&B buy. Okay. Oops. B&B. Here we go. B&B. No current position, so get rid of that leverage. And I'm going to go buy long. Yep, that's it. Cool. You can see how diversified this is. It's I very much doubt anyone without full automation is that this diversified. So PopCat, I would move the stop down to here now. So locking in the profits from here to here. So again, that would be 53%, 51 days. Some of these, when you get these runs, some of the profits are not bad. Okay, so we want to grab the coordinates for that, full coordinates, and then we want to make sure we're already short PopCat. We are. There we go. How is this not in profit? Stop loss. Let's cancel that and put the new one in. It should be trailing now. Let me just double check. 0.74. 0.74, that's right. Okay, confirm. There's your new stop loss. Position size is $6.85. 1x on a short. Okay, so that's red. TRX should be automatically a buy. Change the normal candles. We do have a sell signal there. It's probably got something to do with the fact that the EMA's got an engulfing candle here, which is sort of suggesting there's more power in the sellers, and there's a wick here at the top of this candle which is just closed, which now is indicating it could go down, but Heikin-Ashi says it's red, so yeah, so we go by the confluence of the sell signal, the short signal, and the red candle. Those two together does it for us. Not this green candle here. And you can see it's a bigger red engulfing candle, and also a massive wick above there. So that's why the red came in. And then you can see it as just a signal here. So that's perfect. And then we just copy those coordinates for a short on Tron. Okay. There, find Tron. There's no current position, so we're going to enter a new short. Let's go in here, do the same thing. $7. Sell short. Stop loss there. TRX, 1x leverage. Just around that $7 mark. Nice. It's short. Okay. Sundog. I don't think this was trading. So there's no need to move the stop. So 0.119. Let's have a see if we even got that Sundog. See, we've got a lot of these memes now. Sundog. Yeah, we do. So the stop loss level here is 0.11. 0.11. Yeah, that's fine. So that's all set up. Good to go. So that's a current short. Aptos. This is a current short straight away. A little bit more volatility, so I'll probably make the stop loss a bit wider by the last candle close. But still in the red. Looking at normal candles, we've still got a sell trigger here. It's volatility, tried to pump and failed. You know, you got that green engulfing candle in there, which is probably throwing everything askew. But if you look at it, you know, just generally, if you drew a channel, you would draw it like that. It might resolve to the upside, but at the moment, yeah, it's a current short from back on the 23rd of December. If you had been following it, it would have been from here to, oops, you could trail it from here to the current price is 28% on this short in 30 days, is 1% a day. Just following this again, it's getting choppy now, but still you would follow it. So 9.87. So 9.87 and a short Aptos. $9.87 short. Done. $6.94 and 1x leverage. Beautiful. Again, if you're unsure, 1x leverage is no leverage. That's a short. TIA. TIA is a short straight away, I can tell. Looking at the, yeah, it's just all over the joint. Pretty much all dojis, they're really not really giving a direction. All I'm doing is setting the from the short we had on the 23rd of December. I'm just setting the wide volatility. That's so we don't get stopped out. If we start reverting back higher with more volatility, then we'll just get stopped out. But at least we're in a chance. If it continues down, we'll be able to trail our stop. As I always say, optionality is what you want, and diversification here. So no one thing can take you out. So I've got the stop loss there. So it's short TIA. Let's have a look and see if we've got a TIA position. I don't think we do. No, we don't. Again, first thing, get rid of that leverage. TIA, you want to just go, oops, $7. We're going short. Percentage 100%. Cool. Short, and then just double check the position size, and it's 1x. Beautiful. Nice. That's short. Injective. That would straight away by the looks of it would be a buy with this green closed candle and a long indicator. No real reason to check this because yeah, if you juice from the middle of those, this is very powerful because it's a large engulfing green candle. It can do what it wants here. They tried to sell down, and the seller's massive wick there, so those two together would signal green, and then it's reversing over here, a mirror image. But we'll see. If it goes down below this level, we'll just bail out of it, but we'll go long. Okay, let me just jump on this. Copy that. Long. So we want to go injective long. Okay, let's find it. Injective. There isn't the current position. So let's go here. Long. Injective. Position size 1x. Beautiful. Alright. So that's actually long. Arve. Arve is straight away. Ooh. That's definitely a long buy as well. Don't really need to check the normal candles. That big engulfing candle there. That's a pretty good bet. And I like the level it's at too, because if this new candle, hang on, let's go to the candles. that was a nice one to get. Matching previous highs though, we're sort of like at the top. Yeah, anyway, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, just grab that level, copy that to see where we set our stop. Copy. So we're long Arve. Yeah, I did actually notice Arve was performing really well. So let's find Arve. Here it is. We don't have a current position, so we want to go long. So let's get in here, go USD. $7. Go long. Take profit would be percentage 100%. Paste that stop loss there. Go long. And we have a $3.61 position as a long 1x. That's fine. I'm going to go higher than that. Again, there's more positions in there. There is money in my account. Hamster. All right, hamster is. Look, I'd probably go long here, but it is under a current short. It's really not doing a lot. I don't know why it's not moving at all. Really, it's just stuck within this sort of flag. Like that's neutral. That's neutral to low, to down. What do I say to do? We'll chuck along. This is a 50-50. If it starts going up, we make money. If it starts going down, we'll get. But you know, to have something in it, I'm not worried to just chuck something in it. So we'll go long, just based on that green candle there. So hamster. Have a hamster. Here we go, and we'll go 1x already. So just go here, buy long. $7, 1x, beautiful. So that's a lottery ticket with that one. That one there, I'm not confident on there. Just as I say it starts going down. Eigenlayer. There's a small wick here. We're going to be trailing our stop down to lock in profits if there are any. And so let's copy those coordinates there. Copy Eigenlayer. That's going to be a short, and let's find Eigenlayer. There it is. There's a current short there, so let's get in there and go stop loss. And hang on, cancel. Let's get in there. Let's cancel that one first, and then add the new stop loss level. So we're trailing it down and locking in any profits, or when they do come, lock in any profits. Nice. Oh, I didn't actually check. It's short. Position size $5.46. Okay. Say SEI. Trailing our stop loss down to this wick here. I'll get those coordinates and chuck it into as the new stop loss level if there is a trade. If not, I'll start a new one. Let's find say, there it is. There is a current position, so we're just going to adjust our stop loss position, cancel that one. Go into do the new stop, 100% of it to sold if it hits that. That's all done. Say is short, so meow, MEW. Okay, just going to copy that. It's probably going to be moving our stop. We're probably already in it. Yeah, we are too. Yeah, okay. Details. Get rid of that stop loss and put the new stop. We've got to sort of like do this for a while before we need some movement, and then just over time we're not going to find out what our profit will be until we've been doing this for a little while. Turbo is definitely a short, and a brand new fresh short signal as well, so it's actually looking like it's very much going down. Normal candles say there's massive engulfing candle here, breaking out to lower lows as well. And that's a closed candle too, so it actually did close at a lower low with this sort of formation. It's like basically without looking into TA, it's basically it's an M formation. You know, you can certainly you can imagine it'll fill in around this area here. So basically, we'll probably see perhaps a mirror image of that. So a 48% drop. I'll you know what I'll do, just because this is going to be an ongoing series of videos, I'm just gonna put this on the chart, and I'll just go like this. Okay, speculation. Just get rid of that. Not too much stuff on my chart. So turbo. So turbo. We've copied that. We haven't copied that. I'll copy it now. Copy that. Turbo short. I'm going to do a turbo shorts. Turbo. There's a position here. Okay, so we're just adjusting the short stop loss level, and the new stop loss level is here. Oops. New stop loss done. Okay, and the next one is so that's a short. Euro. Change. Oh, I was wondering why I wasn't changing. Well, this is a short. I'm just going to be moving the stop. Pretty simple, I think. Actually, no, I'm not going to be moving my stop. I'll leave it where it is. So it should be 0011 on Nero. Just make sure it's there. It is that. Let's pull it up. Nero. There it is. Stop loss 0011, so that's fine. I'm just double checking. It's always good to double check. So that's a current short. Nero ETH. On Heikinashi, you would move the stop loss down to this level here. So if I've got a position there, I'll adjust that. Copy. So Nero ETH. Nero ETH. Here it is. There it is. Current position. Get rid of that stop loss. Add the new one. Stop loss there. 100% done. Okay. Nero ETH. So it's going to be short. 1000 Mog. 1000 Mog. So no need to move the stop loss there. That's a current short. Sorry, 1 million Mog. Current short $2.39 should be the stop. Let's bring that up. Current stop loss is $2.39. Yeah, that's right. So that's the current short. Hippo is a short. There's no need to move the stop. It should be 0.012. 0.012 should be the stop. 0.012. Yes, it is. It's a short. Goat. Getting to the close to the end. Goat is current stop. No need to move the stop. Current short. 0.63. That's goat. Goat. Current position short. Yes. 0.63 is correct. So that's a short. Mooding is named. Mooding, 31.96 cents. Don't move the stop. 31 point, yeah, that's it. Done. And it's a current short. Peanut, you would move the stop loss down to this level here, 0.68. Just grab those coordinates here. So peanut on the peanut short. Peanut. There we go. There's the current position there. Peanut short. Add stop loss. Paste. 100%. Go. All done. HPOS 101. I would just move my stop loss a bit wider and keep it short. It's a current short from the 16th of December. Let's get the coordinates for that new wider stop. Copy. That's a short on HPOS 101. That's how I say it. HPOS 101. butchering it. H plus 101. Not a current position here, but let's get onto it. H plus 101. Let's get $7 in USD. Let's see if I can go short. $6.95. Perfect. So let's try and double our money here. If I'm not watching, and then stop, and then bang. Did I hit that? Oh no. So yeah, nice, just under $7 position on 1x leverage shorts. So that is short. ACT. ACT is short to keep the stop loss exactly where it is. It's 35.8 cents. ACT. Let's pull it up. ACT. ACT's a current short. Here we go. Stop loss. Yeah, 0.35. Yep, so that's all done. H bar. H bar is a funny one, right? So we're on the Heikin-Ashi, just making sure, because this one's all over the joints. It's hitting all-time highs and bouncing off it. I would be long with a long indicator here. The normal candles look like it's got an engulfing candle, but there's a massive wick above it, so that really neutralizes it out. So, but we've got a current long buy and a long green candle close. That would be my motivation for getting in there. Let's get this stop loss level onto my clipboard, copy, and check out H bar. See, we've got a position in there. Do we have a position? No, we don't. So this is a brand new H bar position long. I'm going to go, I'll just do the same thing that I do with all the others. Long. Done. Nice size, 1x, that's fine. That's all we want. H bar long. Make that. Come here. There you go. Zen. Zen is it's definitely short. I don't need to check anything there. Let's get those coordinates on that short. So Zen short. Okay. Zen. We don't have a position there, so 1x. So Zen, let's just go sell short. ROI 100. So stop loss level I just grabbed and go sell short. That's all done. Position size good. 1x leverage good. Happy with that. Zen. It's a short. UX link is definitely a short. I would not move the stop loss. I'll keep it at $1.62. UX link. Let's pull it up. UX link. Let's pull up these details. Stop loss there is $1.62. So that's all looking good. That's a short. Virtual USDT. I would actually bring up the stop loss a bit wider. It is still short. Get those coordinates there. Copy. Virtual is a short. So we need to pull it up virtual and make that. We don't have a position, so we'll make that a virtual short. So there, make a short. Stop loss there. Stop short. Virtual, we've got a $7 position at 1x leverage, beautiful. Okay, AI16Z. It is a short. I would actually move it down to, there is a bit of a wick above that, so it's looking like it's going down. So that's a short. Let's grab the coordinates for that stop level, copy, and let's make sure we've got a short there on AI16Z. 1x leverage. There is a short there. Okay, so let's go into here, get the stop loss level, cancel it, add the new stop loss level if we're trailing. Okay, which one should take me well? Hasn't moved enough to actually get us into profit yet. But again, this is weekly, so there's a lot of volatility that will come into this. So basically, we're getting to the pointy end of it. This I think that might have been the last one. It is. So that's a complete portfolio wrap up. So that is an hour and 27 minutes. Obviously, you know, there's sometimes where there's going to be less stuff to go through, but I wanted to make sure the first one of these is actually me showing you exactly how to do it, what problems I faced, what issues I have to overcome with this new system with being in beta. But as you can see there, we've got a bit of a rhythm going on, and I'm hoping this is a good instructional video for people that want to come in and give it a go. My entire portfolio of $730, a whopping $730 that I'm trialing in here, has stop loss levels set up completely based upon my charting and my TA, which is pretty easy to do, and so it'll automatically take stop losses. All these positions I've got on designed I want to double my money by default, and then I'll just trail those stop losses up as we start to get volatility and we've had a bit of a run. I'll actually be moving my stops up to lock in the profits. So we want to ratchet up the profits and protect us, stop ourselves from losses. That's the idea. Anyway, I won't let this video go any longer, a minute longer than it needs to. Join me next week. I'll just make sure you subscribe. Join the subscriber chat. If you are, I'm putting 80% of my money into this that I've allocated towards doing this this trial. And 20% I'm putting into the 1 day and the leveraged plays. There's again links down below to join the 1 day. It's it's $12 a month or something like that to be in there and inside the chat. It gets you into the chat basically, and you'll get a few exclusive long leverage plays I do. That's really the thing, and also the being in the chat there, so we can discuss charts and how it's all going in a community style chat with thread. It's kind of like a baby Twitter on Substack. Yeah, if you do get in there too, I'll also there's two things that you'll actually get access to. My trades when I put them into my vault. There's a vault section on my perpetual trading decks. There's this Omni decks where I can actually go in there as myself and make up an account, which I've done. And for example, I've got an Ethereum trade on there, which is about a 5x leverage trade. So you can actually bet behind me or copy my trade, or any other trades I do within that account. And so it's like a copy trade if you don't know what you're doing with leverage, but you still want to have some access to a little bit more of DGen and leverage plays, but you know, like with some part of your portfolio. So this is the safest houses part over here that we'll do every week. You can just stick with this, or any part of this you can do, or you can you can break off a little bit, which is what I've done, and I'm doing a little bit of leverage in the other one. So whatever floats your boat. Stick around. Also, there will be a weekly update for the Pulse chain, RH tokens, the core tokens, PLSX, PLS, Hex, and Inc against DAI. And I'm going to tell you exactly what percentages I would hold those assets in, and which I would hold. At the moment, it's actually 100% DAI with the current performance, but it's not always going to stay the same. As soon as they start trending, I'm going to start allocating percentages to fill up the portfolio with some of those RH assets. So that's also linked below. Again, join the subscriber chat here, and I can message you between now and next week if anything important happens. And otherwise, your stop loss levels will be automatically triggered if you use the Apex Omni. And otherwise, you can set up some alarms, and just get yourself in and out of them. Now we've said I put a line in the sand as far as what we're prepared to lose. Thanks again for joining. Sorry it was so long. It will probably get quicker and quicker as we do this, and as you get used to it. But this is a way of giving you an introduction to what I'm attempting to do. Hey, I could change as well, so I want to make sure it suits me and you as well. So give me your comments down below if you've got any sort of suggestions or things you like or don't like, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks, and I'll see you again next week.